I will search how to buy shares of Mount Logan Capital Inc. and walk you through the steps to buy the stock. Mount Logan Capital Inc. is an exploration and resource development company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MLCI. And this is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy stocks, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and then add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MLCI to find Mount Logan Capital Inc. Select the listing that matches NASDAQ and the company name to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary, recent news, and the price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure the name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker MLCI all match before moving on. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details before confirming, choosing market or limit orders as appropriate. If the market is closed, your order may queue or require a limit. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, you will see your new position in the portfolio. If you want to open an account, the link to eToro is in the description for your convenience.